It's really important for the technology in a building to be invisible. It needs to work, reduce the friction when people move through the building, when they are in a room doing things in that room. The technology cannot be the barrier to what they're trying to achieve. We've tried to put together a building that matches the function and the aesthetics of what you might typically expect as you enter into your career in the world of business. My name's Oliver Davey and I'm the Chief Digital Officer at the University of Derby, and I've been here 4 years working alongside a lot of our technical colleagues who have put a lot of effort into this wonderful building that we're in today. So we're stood in the new Cavendish Building, which is a flagship new building that we've put together to house our business school students and other related disciplines.
So in the classroom we have bring your own device and the meeting rooms as well. They're able to either connect via USB-C or use the dongle, and they're able to get all the peripherals from the room, whether that's the camera, the microphones and the display screen. My name is Martin de Vogel and I am the Technical Project Manager for GVAV. In the building we have 2 lecture theatres and we have 13 classrooms, meeting rooms, a podcast studio, signage, little huddle spaces, and GV was involved in every aspect of that, whether that's the LCD TVs that went into them, the booking panels, speakers, audio, microphones, furniture. In some of the rooms we've got collaboration furniture where students are able to gather together in small huddle spaces.
So it's really important for our students to get a sense of where they're going to work, but also where they want to work when they go into their careers. We've tried to put together a building that matches the function and the aesthetics of what you might typically expect as you enter into your career in the world of business. There's a lot of emphasis placed on multi-use for the room. So sometimes the rooms are laid out in a traditional teaching setup. Sometimes when we are getting industry partners in, it needs to be configured in a different way. But it's important throughout all of this that technology enables all of that, doesn't get in the way. It's really important that the building functions effectively, but also is aesthetically pleasing. One of the big things that we wanted to make sure was that we've used sustainable materials, sustainable building processes, and we've kitted it out in sustainable ways regarding our technology as well.
So in this cluster of buildings here, we've got 3 buildings that all have solar panels, and it was a key aspect for the AV as well to be sustainable. And obviously, notorious LED takes a lot of power. So that is the primary reason why we went with digiLED because of their ZEUS technology, which allowed us to turn the LED walls off, physically turn them off so that they take no power when they're not in use. Overnight, for instance, which saves a huge amount of power for the university. All of the classrooms have also got power controllers, and we are able to turn off equipment where required.
The technology within a building space is really important from a sustainability perspective. Financial sustainability and environmental sustainability, both equally important. It's very important that it looks and behaves in a modern way, and we felt that projectors were not where we wanted to go. There's nothing aspirational about a projector. So LED has allowed us to balance a lot of those needs, the visibility of it, the crispness, the clarity, the sharpness of the display, the effects that it has on the range of content that looks really good on those displays. The initial impact is incredible when you see it. When you see it up and running, it's an amazing thing to see running. We needed to set a really good first impression, but also allow our academic staff to maintain that really good impression for our students week in, week out. GVAV have helped us realise our vision for this building by working with us extensively throughout, from the early design phases throughout all those implementations into now where we are with the building already open and it being actively used. It's been a very productive partnership approach where there has always been a really clear mutual understanding of what the benefit and the vision for this building is, and we've worked extremely well in realising that vision to what we see today, which is a fantastic marquee building that was going to be here for years and years to come.